Academics and Research, Dr. Conrado Ayalobam, to our principal, Dr. Jamie F. Mendoza, to our area chairs, Sir Dan Emerson B. Desiderio and Mrs. Harleen M. Zaraspe, to our guest speaker, Mr. Robert Labayan, and our esteemed teachers, dear parents and fellow students, a bedazzling afternoon to each and every one. Allow me to formally introduce myself. I am Junaira Stella C. Baranya, a student from STEM Medical 2B. My classmates call me Junaira. My friends may call me Ira, and some know me as Stella. Others may recognize me as Miss LPU High 2024, Miss LPU 2024, or Mutya ng Alangilan 2025. This journey hasn't been easy. It was filled with doubts, tough decisions, and sacrifices. One of my biggest fears has always been not being good enough, especially in my academics. Like many graduating students, I feared failing a seat work, an exam, or even a subject. Because of that fear, I closed the door to other opportunities and extracurricular activities. But then I realized that I was wrong. By doing so, I held myself back from exploring, learning, and growing in other ways. I've come to understand that there is so much more to a vibrant student life than just academics. Growth happens when we allow ourselves to balance learning inside and outside the classroom. Miss LPU High was my very first pageant. As a newcomer in the industry, doubt played a major role in this journey. I constantly questioned whether I was in the right path or was I aiming too high. But through it all, I've come to realize the incredible power of self-belief. I choose to trust in the people who saw the potential in me, even when I struggled to see it in myself. Miss LPU 2024 was my redirection. After losing the race for the Lyceum Supreme Student Government Presidency, I found myself in a position of doubt, questioning my purpose, my abilities, and whether I was still meant to lead. Leadership had always been a part of who I was. So, the loss was deeply disappointing. Still, I held on to the hope that something was waiting for me. Just a few days later, the Mr. and Miss LPU 2024 pageant was introduced, and I was chosen to represent the high school department. From that moment, I gave it my all. I trained hard, stayed focused, and began to believe in myself again. Winning the crown reminded me that I am still capable of leading, serving, and inspiring. Perhaps not in the role I initially aimed for, but through the title I was meant to hold. This journey has taught me the importance of perseverance, faith, and trusting in God's perfect timing. It wasn't rejection, it was redirection. But none of you would have known me if it wasn't for our school, Lyceum of the Philippines University, Batangas. The school gave me the platform to showcase my advocacy and my capabilities. I'm truly grateful to my teachers who guided me, shared their wisdom, and helped me grow. And to my classmates, friends, and fellow students who stood by me and believed in me throughout this journey. Of course, to my parents for the never-ending love and support they give. Through this experience, I realized that I wasn't just receiving the quality education I was promised to, but also the best environment with the biggest opportunities. All of this led me to win Mutya ng Alangilan 2025. I was blessed with a strong foundation. Every challenge and crown I've earned has shaped me into someone stronger, wiser, and better. And now, I will continue to lead, serve, and inspire even beyond the walls of our school. let me leave you with this. If you can't beat fear, do it scared. I learned that with the right mindset, knowing your priorities, and truly believing in yourself, anything is possible. Today, I am proud to be graduating with high honors while also carrying the titles I only once dreamed of. It wasn't always easy, but determination, faith, and focus helped me rise. Once again, I am Junaira Stella Siberania, Miss LPU High 2024, Miss LPU 2024, and Butyan Alangilang 2025. And remember, your journey begins the moment you choose to believe in yourself. Congratulations, Batch 2025. We are all bound for greatness.
Thank you for your moving message, Miss LPU.